69 being the date and the year, those Waterloo sportsmen and more did appear, oh, to view the great prizes and bear the loa, never counting on Ireland and Master McGrath. On the 12th of December, that day of renown, McGrath and his keeper, they left Lurgan town, and a gale in the channel, it soon drove them more. On the 13th they landed on fair England's shore. And when they arrived there in great London town, those band English sportsmen, they all gathered around, and one of those gentlemen gave a ha-ha, saying, is that the great dog you called Master McGrath? Lurgan stepped forward and he said, gentlemen, is there any among you have money to spend? For your great English greyhound I don't care a straw, 5,000 to 1 upon Master McGrath. White Rose stood uncovered, the great English pride, her trainer and owner were both by her side. Oh, they let her away and the crowd cried hurrah, for the pride of all England and Master McGrath. As Rose and the Master, they both ran along. I wonder, said Rose, what took you from your home? You should have stayed there in your Irish domain, and not come to gain laurels on all these plains. Well, I know, says McGrath, we have wild heather bogs, but you'll find in old Ireland we have good men and dogs. Lead on, Paul Britannia, give none of your gia, for I'll garnish your laurels, says Master McGrath. Oh, the hair she let off, what a beautiful view, as swift as the wind o'er the green field she flew. He jumped on there's back and he held up his paw. 3 cheers for old Ireland, said Master McGrath. Well, I've known many greyhounds that fill me with pride, in the days that are gone, but it can't be denied that the greatest and the bravest the world ever saw was our champion of champions, old Master McGrath.